Great afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another EDJ Open House Tour for this week. Today, guys, we're here in Antipolo City. This subdivision is along Marcos Highway. Before we start our tour, please like and follow EDJ Facebook page, Reel, TikTok, Instagram, as well my EDJ YouTube channel. So you'll be notified every time we drop a video. Now, guys, let's start our open house tour. From huge carport, as you can see guys, this house and lot is consists of 3-story single attached house and lot. And this side, meron kang pocket garden at ito yung right easement mo. And this side guys, ito yung large and solid main door. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Upon entering this large or huge door, ito yung dining area, living area, and kitchen. Sa kitchen, ito yung upper cabinet mo guys. May breakfast nook ka dito sa side na to. Ito yung double sink. Ito yung mga drawer. At meron ka ditong pantry at provision mo for refrigerator. And this side guys, meron tayo ditong glass door. Papunta dito sa right easement ng house and lot mo. Yan, ito siya. And balik po tayo ulit dito sa inyong kitchen and dining area. Ito yung kitchen, dining area, at ito yung living area. Sa living area mo guys, ito yung space niya, staircase going up to second floor. Dito sa side nito yung powder room. At dito naman sa isang pinto, meron ka ditong maid's room or pwede mo rin gawin itong elderly room, depende sa magiging design mo. Ito yung space niya at meron siyang toilet and bathroom dyan sa side na yan. Next natin, itong powder room. Katabi lang po siya o under the staircase. Pasukin natin ito. Ito yung toilet at yung sink. Naka-full tiles po yan. Ito yung staircase going up to second floor. Tara, tingnan naman natin. Yung steps mo dito is solid wood. And then, yung riser is concrete. Yung handle is solid wood. Yan guys, ito yung master bedroom dito sa second floor. Pagpasok mo dito, yan, mapapansin mo, maliwalas yan, saka maliwanag kasi marami siyang windows. At itong side na to, yan yung right easement ng property. At dito naman sa side na to, yan yung sa likod ng house and lot. Meron ka ditong cabinet and open shelving. Ito yung toilet and bathroom mo. Head shower. And then, dito sa side na to, naka-wood tiles design siya. Yung partition mo for shower and toilet. At ito yung sink. Ngayon, nakita na natin itong walk-in closet, toilet, at yung space nitong master bedroom. Next naman natin dito guys. Meron ka ditong family area. And sa family area mo, may aircon ka na, naka-cove light, meron kang accent wall dito sa side na to. At meron ka ditong balcony. Ngayon, tapos na tayo dito sa second floor. Ito yung staircase papunta naman po sa yung third floor. At ang maganda dito, may step light ka para makikita mo yung hinahakbangan mo. Welcome po dito sa third floor. Dito is mayroon kang another open space for family area, common toilet and bathroom. At dito po may balcony, saka 2 bedrooms. Unahin natin itong isang bedroom dito. Yan, ito na yung provision mo for window type of aircon. Dito yung bed. At dito yung wiring mo. Pwede ka dyan maglagay ng shelves or cabinet. Next natin, itong pangalawang bedroom dito sa third floor. Ito yung dito sa aircon. Yan, both side, meron tayong window, fixed window. At ito yung open space niya. Next natin, meron tayong toilet and bathroom. Is common toilet for the bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 dito sa third floor. Naka-full tiles yung shower. Yan, paras lang din ng materyales na ginamit sa ibang toilet. Ito naman, next natin is yung sa balcony. Yan guys, dito sa property, meron tayong dalawang balcony. Isa sa second floor, saka dito sa third floor. At itong single attached house and lot na to is 3-story po siya. Tapos 2 carport. The subdivisions po is along Marcos Highway. Yan, kung naibigan niyo po ang bagong picture na property dito po sa Antipolo City, pwede niyo po kung tawagan text sa number na para makapag-schedule tayo ng site viewing o site tripping para makita niyo personal. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bagong pinipicture na property dito po sa Metro Manila and Rizal area. Again, this is Delbert Halos, helping you find the home that's right for you.